one of two things is going on here. She's either lying about the moving stuff and this is not her stuff, or she's doing something else that she shouldn't be doing.
On March 22, 2024, an Ohio State trooper stopped a rental truck for a minor traffic violation. The driver claimed she was moving furniture, but a simple check of her rental agreement revealed a $1.7 million secret.
How are you?
Good on yourself?
Not too bad. I'm going to pick up this penny that fell out of your door, okay? Is this your truck?
No, it's a rental.
A rental? Did you rent it?
Yes.
Okay, do you have the rental agreement and your license?
Yes.
That was also down there. I didn't want that to blow out.
No problem.
Can you do me a favor? Can you turn your headlights on?
Yes.
Also, be careful with how close you're getting to some of those other cars, okay? You got in behind that semi. You weren't speeding or anything, so just go around them or back off of them. I don't want you to crash or anything, okay? Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you rent this at?
Tucson, Arizona.
In Tucson?
Yes.
Where are you headed to?
Harrisburg.
Harrisburg?
Yes.
Pennsylvania?
Yes, Pennsylvania.
Okay, all right. What takes you over there?
Because I'm going to move over there.
You're moving?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing this for a company?
A company?
Yeah.
No, it's because I used to move things at other times, so that's why.
Okay. So, where are you taking the truck to?
It's going to come back.
To Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you rented this and you're moving your stuff to Harrisburg?
Yeah, just a little stuff, and then I'm going to take another one.
Okay. When did you rent this?
It was on Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Sorry.
This Wednesday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Have you had any tickets or anything else?
No, nothing.
Okay. So do you work for a moving company?
No, I used to work.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't work.
You don't do that anymore? Because it looks like you rented it under this. Andrea.
Yeah, that was my company.
Okay.
Like I said,
So this isn't your company?
No.
What's in here right now?
It's just some sofas and my luggage, just that.
Sofas and luggage? Okay. And it belongs to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I hear this a lot, okay?
Yeah.
And if you're doing it for pay, that's fine.
It belongs to me. It belongs to me.
All right. And then you're going to, so why are you going to drive the truck all the way back?
Because like I say, I'm coming to move her here and then I'll go back and then bring another stuff.
Okay. All right. Bear with me. Let me do some checking on some things, but that's why I have you stopped, okay?
Yeah.
Be careful. Have you had any breaks or anything? When did you leave Tucson?
I just leave on Wednesday.
Wednesday? So you've been driving hard then if you're here already. Where have you been sleeping at?
At the hotel.
Okay. How many nights?
It's 2 nights.
You spent 2 nights in a hotel?
Yeah. No, one night like I came on Wednesday. I slept in the hotel and then yesterday I slept in the hotel.
Okay. All right. Well, bear with me for 1 second. I'm going to check some things out and I'll be back with you, okay? All right.
At this exact moment, the traffic stop is effectively over. This is now a criminal investigation. Watch how the trooper lays out his case. He knows her furniture story is just a ghost story, and he is about to explain exactly why before deploying the K-9.
So she said she rented this on Wednesday, which she did.
Wednesday. Today's Friday.
Smell that? Smell the air freshener? Yeah. It's all over the rental agreement. So she rented this in Tucson, but here's the problem. She won't tell me the truth. She rented this under Andrea Celia Delivery, which is a company. She said she had a moving company. She doesn't work there anymore. She's going to Harrisburg, PA, and she's taking it back to Tucson. I'm like, if you're moving your stuff to Harrisburg, why are you driving this back? She's like, well, I'm going to go back and get more stuff. So one of two things is going on here. She's either lying about the moving stuff and this is not her stuff, or she's doing something else that she shouldn't be doing.
Well, she's not gonna make it if you keep pulling her over.
She'd do a better job of driving. I wouldn't have to stop her. Coming from Tucson, going to Harrisburg, so.
Is she nervous?
Smell that.
It's like Downy or something.
That's what I said. It's like a softener, fabric softener or something.
You know me, my wife will shoot me.
Huh?
How come it smell like that? My wife will shoot me.
Hey, check up! Hey, what's this?
Once that dog alerts to the odor of narcotics, the Fourth Amendment protection evaporates. He no longer needs her permission to search.
Good job. Hello. Let me come on back. No weapons on you?
No.
I'll just have you put your hands on top of your head. I'm just going to pat you down with the back of my hand, okay? Face the car. Come on back here. Where's the key to the lock?
It's in the...
Is everything in that truck belong to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just have you have a seat there, okay?
The duck head? Oh.
Big old one. Ruh-roh.
Load 'em up, buddy!
What is it? Kilos, bro.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's duffel bag.
Holy my God.
Woo! Dude, that's a big one. That's a lot of dope, baby. That's a lot of dope.
Holy.
With 110 pounds of products seized, the case shifts from enforcement to strategy. The trooper knows she's likely a courier, not the mastermind, so he offers a controlled delivery, a chance to cooperate under surveillance and lead them to the real targets in New York. It's a terrifying choice. Risk her life by cooperating or face up to 20 years in federal prison.
Where's this going?
SB1742.
New York.
New York?
Okay.
New York City?
Yes.
And you want to deliver it?
I was going to do it because they was going to pay me.
Okay. But you don't want to move this to New York?
Like,
For
This is
us?
to help you as well. It's not just us.
Have a seat up
I
there.
don't know.
Think about it. You got some time, okay? All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drive this back to our post to the next exit, and we'll talk in there, okay? All right. You good?
Yeah.
It's going to New York.
There's 2 big bags in there.
Dude, it's huge.
Think about what we're offering you. This is part of your life too, okay?
I have kids, I have a husband, so they don't know nothing.
I know, but somebody's gonna be very mad.
Yeah, my husband is gonna get mad with me.
I'm talking about when you lose what's in there.
I know.
You're not gonna be happy. Where's your family even think you're at right now?
They think I was working. They didn't know nothing. I just say I was going to make a delivery. I like to put furniture for another person, and my husband said, "Oh, yeah, it's fine."
Okay. So what we're actually offering is for you to deliver that to New York, and we arrest them. It helps you because the presumption right here for you is to go to prison. Okay. We work out here in the middle of nowhere. They don't like that stuff coming through here. Okay. So think about it. Because if you're willing to take it to New York, bring in the DEA, which me and him both work for the DEA as well, besides the fact that we're state troopers. And that in turn, that cooperation helps you with sentencing. Okay. So think about that. You think this was left there intentionally? I guarantee the dimness is set down. Take a picture, because this was shoved down in here. I think this is just props. This is props, but we'll still rip it open. Alright. Yeah, I can hear you.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
When we get there to your office, can I call my husband and tell what is happening and tell my kids that I don't know something?
Notice how she immediately asks to call her husband. The trooper agrees, but with a strict condition: secrecy.
I'll absolutely let you call your husband. But until we decide the game plan, nobody can know that you got stopped.
Okay.
We do that to protect us and you. You have a lot of big life decisions to make in about the next 20 minutes. Did you tell anybody you were getting stopped?
No, nobody.
What they typically do is just tell you a city that you're going to.
Yeah, they tell me a city and just go, and they say, "Oh, we're gonna call you when you're getting there."
Do you know that they're tracking you?
I not even know.
Yeah, they're tracking you. What do you do for work?
I don't work.
Okay. What's your husband do?
He's a plumber.
How many kids do you guys have?
4, 2 girls and 2 boys.
Ma'am, I know you know what my job is and what we do, but at the same time, like, I understand what people do for their kids.
Yeah.
I get it. Give me a minute, okay?
Nice. Hello.
I'll take you inside, okay? Go down that hard bench over against the wall. You can have a seat. Ma'am, I'm not pressuring you, obviously, to do the delivery, but we do this a lot. We're good at it. They're going to be really mad, okay? Just the fact you got caught, okay? We like to arrest the bigger players on this end. We like to get the other players on that end. We can only do that with your help. We can only do so much, okay?
In the end, the fear of harm outweighed the fear of prison. She refused the deal. She declined to identify the people she was delivering the drugs to, a decision prosecutors say was likely driven by concern for her family's safety. As a result, she was charged with felony drug trafficking and felony drug possession. If convicted, she faces up to 25 years in prison and a $50,000 fine.